A year ago, we went to the clinic of Dr. Lev Levit for the following reason. The child had, we call them blackouts. He could not control himself. At a lesson or on the way, for example, to a store, he would just completely stop controlling the situation and understand what to do. He could go the other way. At a lesson, he could suddenly start rolling on a desk. In general, all these blackouts influenced on understanding, and we noticed that the child began to lag behind. They disturbed him. Besides, there was permanent muscle tone in his legs and arms. Actually, it was in the whole body. Well, as for the concentration, it's clear that there wasn't any. So, after the first course of treatment, which was a year ago, no, even not during the whole year, but immediately after 2 weeks in Tel Aviv, all his muscles relaxed and the blackouts simply disappeared forever. We totally forgot about them. It was literally when we returned to our country. All our physicians and other doctors, even our optometrists, noticed that the high muscle tone was gone. He has got hyperoria associated with the tone of his eye muscles. Accordingly, we achieved significant improvements in this regard. The teacher also noted perseverance, better concentration, and, of course, the absence of these blackouts. They never appeared again. This is the most exciting result. Well, in general, the child began to develop by leaps and bounds, as he should. It turned out that he contacted with his peers, with the peers of his age, much better. Some new interests appeared. Maybe you want to add something? What else has changed for you? I understood how to relax. Yes, he learned how to relax. The child could not really relax for a second. What else? It became easier to sleep. Yes, falling asleep. There were problems with falling asleep. It became much easier to fall asleep. What else do you note in yourself? What else? What else about you? Well, in general, it's just a pleasant feeling. Has it become easier for you to study? At some point, yes. And is it easier to communicate with your friends? Yes. Tell me, how did blackouts manifest? Tell us more about it. Blackouts are when he just went into himself. If it was on the move and we were going somewhere, he could turn around like this and go the other way. He could step on one lawn and just walk in circles. I called him, but he did not hear. To wit, I had to come really close and specifically draw his attention to myself. At home, he watched TV, like cartoons. He watched and watched, and then I said, Maxim, dinner is ready. Zero. I had to come there. Maxim, hey, let's turn on. You are here. You're with me. Let's go to it. What did the doctors say? Physicians diagnosed him with autism spectrum disorder. They prescribed different pills. We first tried to drink tranquilizers for 2 months. And how old was he? It started 5 years ago. But what was the reason? Do you know? We had a congenital cholesteatoma after the operation. Well, I don't know. Maybe these are unrelated things, but the child began to get very, very sick. His health condition worsened very much, especially after 2 operations and anesthesia. The child had a congenital cholesteatoma. He underwent 2 operations, and these blackouts appeared soon after these operations. Possibly, these diseases caused blackouts. We went to many doctors and were treated by doctors with medication. We were treated by psychologists. Well, she did something with him. In general, nothing helped. And after contacting medical doctor Lev Levit, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. Okay.
Okay.
Namely, I believe that when some methods of treatment do not work, you just have to try something new. You should not be afraid of it, and there will always be a way to correct these problems. It was Dr. Levitt who helped us. And thank you so much.